Global markets roundup, global stock markets, global gold markets, global currency markets, and global economic update. Myself, Sajit Kumar. Global gold market update. Last Friday, international gold trading closed little higher than previous week, US dollar 1961 level per ounce. Global stock market corrections and international investment diversification to gold will create a further positive momentum for gold market. Increasing corporate and government debts internationally will create inflation higher, and it will also be supportive for gold market in the near future. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, gold mines are also forced to suspend their production fully or partially. These situations also will create a demand for gold in near future. However, currently US dollar appreciation and the expectation of liquidity crunch in the market may drag down gold price little down for short term. For long term, investors are considering still gold as a safe haven investment, and the slow global economic growth, gold price will move higher in long term perspective. Dubai, the city of gold, also marked lower last week and quoted 225 dirhams per gram for 24 karat gold. Newly launched US gold digital stable currency quoted $2,540, little lower than last week. Gold futures trading and gold exchange traded fund also marked a lower level. For next week, we all are heading for the last quarter of 2020. Liquidity issue will be the major factor, and it will affect the gold market as well. Investors may consider gold ETF as a better option during this period. As per the report, gold price is expected to move in the range between $1,842 and $1,914 per ounce. Global stock market update. Last Friday, Indian stock markets and US stock markets were closed little higher side when continuous weakness had shown from the beginning of the week. Last Friday, news with the hope that Indian government may announce fiscal stimulus package soon that had created positive note during the last week closing session of Indian stock market. However, next Thursday's RBI policy review meeting is most important to the market. RBI may declare the revised forecast of GDP for the last quarter of 2020, and majority are expecting a lower GDP growth than expected previously for India. This may contract the positive momentum of fiscal stimulus package news created in the market. Interest rate decision is also most important, and market is also expecting more supportive measures from RBI for increasing fund liquidity in the market. We need to wait for October 1st. US stock market were also closed on Friday positive with the support of tech shares. Apple, Amazon and Facebook marked more than 2% increase due to the rise in COVID-19 fears. Dow Jones had closed 358 point up and Nasdaq closed 241 point up. European stock markets had closed 3 months low due to the COVID-19 second wave created negative impact to the European stock markets. FTSE closed at 18,698 level and marking 208 points lower. DAX closed 12,469 level and marking 137 points lower. Gulf stock market last week Thursday ended with a negative trend. Dubai financial market closed at 33 points down. Abu Dhabi stock exchanges 23 points down. Saudi stock exchange closed 8 points down. Kuwait stock exchange 18 points down. Bahrain exchange closed at 2 points down. However, Qatar exchange 1 point slightly up, and Oman Muscat securities were also closed with 5 points up. Next week, RBI decision on interest rate, further stimulus packages and market liquidity measures that are most important for next week Indian stock market activities. Let us catch up next week. Global currency market update. Last week, Indian rupee has closed little lower 73.68 level per US dollar. Stock market falls, crude oil price increase, strong US dollar were pushing down Indian rupee last week. Next week, RBI policy review meeting is also most important. Last week, UAE dirham closed at 20.05, Saudi riyal closed at 19.65, Qatari riyal 20.20, Omani riyal 191.33, Bahraini dinar 195.30, Kuwaiti dinar 240.42, Euro 85.68, British pound 93.88, Canadian dollar 55.01 and Australian dollar 51.78. Next week is very much crucial for Indian rupee. strong US dollar, weak stock markets and increase of crude oil price will also negatively affect for Indian rupee. Next week RBI decision on interest rate, liquidity measures and more stimulus packages, those are also important for Indian rupee for next week. The global economy update. UK has announced a new smaller job supportive program with an extension of their existing GBP 39 billion program that is going to end on 31st October 2020. Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry and Tel Aviv Chamber of Commerce Israel have signed a strategic agreement to enhance their cooperation between both chambers of commerce. Quarterly review report published last Friday by the Indian National Council for Applied Economic Research has projected that the Indian economy will contract 12.6% in this fiscal year. That is a massive downgrade from the 1.2% growth that they had estimated in June 2020. Next week RBI policy review meeting that is most important, that is scheduled on 1st October 2020, and it's a decision on interest rate, it's a decision on further stimulus package and forecast on GDP are very much crucial for Indian stock markets and Indian rupee.